Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use ADP's mobile app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is open up your web browser and then click onto the search box and in the top of the screen and paste in the link that I left you in the description down below and press enter. Once you do, you're going to face this article, which is also the official guide from ADP's website. So if you want to download it, you can see the download button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And now I'm going to read to you only what's important in here. So about installing the app on your mobile device, if you're using Apple device, go to the App Store on your device or iTunes on your computer and install the ADP Mobile Solutions app. For Android devices, go to the Google Store on your device or click onto the link right here on your computer and install the ADP Mobile Solutions app. And here's a note, the app is available for multiple ADP products. Not all features listed in the description and screenshots on the App Store are currently available for run powered by ADP. Now, the second step is to open the ADP Mobile Solutions app on your device. After that, on the login page, enter your employee access user ID. If you don't want to re-enter it every time you launch the application, turn on Save My User ID and then select Login. After that, enter your employee access password and select Login. If you forget your password, see your payroll administrator to have it reset. And after that, review the terms of use and select Accept. Now, about using a browser to access the app, here's what's important. On your mobile device, go to this link, which is mobile.adp.com, and then on the login page, enter your employee access user ID. If you don't want to re-enter it every time you launch the application, select Remember User ID and then select Submit. After that, enter your employee access password and select Login. If you forget your password, see your payroll administrator to have it reset. And finally, review the terms of use and select Accept. And for more information about ADP Mobile Solutions, go to this link right here. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.